with a paintbrush. Otherwise it will need masking off, and certainly if I mask it off I can't spray it at the same time. I've got to let the paint dry before I mask, otherwise I will pull the paint off. I think that will do. So there we go. That's done, and I'm just about out of paint. So I think that's it for this evening. I'll do some more of this probably tomorrow night, but that won't be on stream. So the next stream will be on Monday of next week, 7 PM UK time. That's 1800 hours GMT, but I don't quite know what we'll be doing then. It really depends on what happens with this. If I finish the painting and I finish sort of like the seats, which I want to be a different colour, and the dashboard for example, and I then get the gloss coat on, top, then it's possible that if it's dried we'll be assembling it. What I may well do though is leave the gloss coat several days to harden before we do it, and the gloss coat will have to be done in two parts again, like this has been done, the inside and then the outside, possibly with time to cure in between, so that it gets a nice hard coating, and then we'll assemble it. So it may be about another week before we come back to this and carry on assembly to complete the cab and then start to fit the radio. So I may do something else in between, but we'll see how that turns out. So thank you for watching. If you want to see this stream again, or any of the earlier ones, there's a little bit of backlog here on Twitch, which you can look at past videos. But if you want to see anything further back, or any of the other videos to do with jewellery making for example, or pyrography, or wood carving, or scraper board, or assembly of a 3D printer, or lots of other things that I can't think of at the moment, they're all on YouTube. youtube.com/ZaragonArt, and they're all in series as well, so if you want to see punchcraft of a particular thing, you can look up the series, the collections, and pick the one that you want and watch them through. They were all recorded, or almost everything there is recorded in real time, so that if it took 2 hours to do, it is 2 hours. Similarly with the assembly of this, but it has been broken. This has been broken down into 20-minute segments, so they're nice and easy to watch. Just a quick segment. You can watch another segment at some other time. So again, thank you for watching. Hope I'll see you on the next stream. Bye for now.